So these are the Renpho Air Compression Boots. I've been testing them in my clinic, and honestly, they've been a huge hit with both patients and therapists. You can see me here getting ready to use them once all my patients were gone for the day. Simply put, they work by inflating and deflating around your legs, which helps to improve circulation, reduces swelling, and just feels amazing after a long day on your feet. What I love most about these is the super simple control. You can change modes, pressure levels, and even set the timer. The best part, they're wireless, tubeless, completely rechargeable. If you've seen me do videos on other older models, you would see that there were tubes connecting the legs to a compression device. None of that stuff is here. It is all completely gone. These are the easiest boots on the market to use today. Not only are they easy to use in the clinic, they're easy to use at home. They're perfect for after a workout or even just after work when you just want to relax. Patients tell me it feels like I'm having a personal massage therapist work on my legs every single day. So whether you're recovering from exercise, dealing with some swelling or lymphedema, or just want better leg circulation, these Renpho boots are affordable, convenient, and incredibly durable. This material is easy to wipe down and clean, even if you use it after surgery. So honestly, once you try them, you'll probably start using them every day as part of your self-care routine. Look, I tell my patients, you brush your teeth every day, you take a shower every day, you throw on the Renpho compression boots, and you just sit back and relax. This would be a perfect time for meditation.